we take a look at this absolutely stunning Dallas, Texas mansion. This absolutely magnificent home is listed at $60 million, has 10 bedrooms, 17 bathrooms, and is 27,092 square foot. This beautiful home sits on 15.67 acres. And as you can see, this house has been through a recent magnificent renovation. The house was built in 1938, and I think this renovation is absolutely gorgeous. This home also includes a 3,000 square foot guest house, a 4,800 square foot recreational center, including a greenhouse, waterfall, and walking trails. And not forget to mention the helipad. Who would not love to have their coffee out here every morning? I know I would. Love a home that has really high ceilings, just like this one does. That's probably one of my weaknesses besides fireplaces, but these ceilings are 14 feet. Hope you have enjoyed this absolute dream of a property as much as I have, because this truly is a dream house. Please hit that like and subscribe if you like to see more content like this. And as always, thank you for watching.